Alright, start of another video here, and I just got back from picking something up. I'd said in the previous video that there was going to be a new jet ski on the channel, and here it is. I'll give you 5 seconds. Put down in the comments if you can guess which one it is, besides Seadoo. And then I'm going to uncover it real quick. Low hours, 2 owners. I just bought it from the second owner. All original. I will take the seat off and we can maybe get a look down underneath the seat at the engine. Go on this side. It's a GSX. Yeah, it's like super clean in here. This is white still. It still has numbers on it. It's like amazing condition. It's like brand new. It's so clean. I love it. It's got original fuel lines, original oil lines, so I'm probably gonna have to change those out. But I'll get a running video of it probably tomorrow. That's when this video is gonna continue. So other than that, next time you see me in a video after this one will be the next day. No, I'm taking a video, and sorry about the wind noise in advance. Alright. They're going on it. There they go. Maiden voyage. So they just tested it out together, and I've been riding it for about, I'd say probably an hour, and then I've got some videos with the GoPro, which is down there. It's not very nice out today, and I got my new life jacket on. Sounds like a 4-wheeler. There's actually quite a few. Most of these boats, most of these people here are fishing. So, yep, it's running good though. Alright, so I'm gonna go over this the rest of the way now and start it up real quick on camera now that we're back from the lake. So I'll have a full like walk around video eventually, but for now, 1996 Seadoo Gsx. I don't even know what's gonna show up on camera. Hours, see, it's kind of hard to read it, but it says hours and it flashes. I'll probably just go to the dealer and have them hook up to the MPEM, but I'm gonna start it up real quick and then that's gonna be the end of the video. Kind of short. I'll throw in the GoPro footage though. Alright, beepers on, and first thing I'll be doing is changing the plugs because they definitely need to be changed, and yeah, but everything works. It cools good, you know, water comes out of this hole back here. Everything else is good. I'll give you one more look at the engine compartment. It's just like so clean. And then I actually drained, I think I drained almost all the water out of it. There was like a little bit of water, drained it all out. But anyway, thanks for watching, and make sure to leave a thumbs up, hit the like button, subscribe, and follow me on Instagram at ToddleyProductions on Instagram. I'm actually gonna leave it right up here. So, peace out. Real quick, it's the video after the video. I just wanted to say that the video of the GoPro footage will be linked in the description, and it will be a whole separate video. Also, I use my Hero 4 GoPro rather than the Hero 7 because I don't have the case for the 7 yet, and I know it's waterproof, but kind of skeptical, so probably gonna buy the case. Anyway, bye.